I just got home from work. Luckily, the roads are clear. I didn't end up losing power. Where I live, there's a 50% chance if it snows, you will lose power. I'm ready for springtime. It is so cold outside. I have a wood-burning stove in my basement. Here in my dining room, I need to take my old blind to the basement and see if I can use it there. I have a new one in my bedroom that is on a remote to make it easier on me to open and close the blinds. Eventually, I would love to have all automatic blinds. I need to take the light bulbs to the basement. I did get less brighter bulbs for my entryway light, my kitchen light, and the one on my bar cart. Alexa, turn on the light in the dining room. It's so cozy at nighttime when I turn these on. That needs to go to the basement. My son and I, we decluttered his room. He did a great job. Some of the clothes he doesn't want, I'll see if my sister wants to have them for her son. This area has been cleaned up. I have some Valentine decorations out and sprinkled around the house. So I did vacuum. The blinds that were here I took down, and the light bulbs, I have a bin for my light bulbs. I put them away. This is my Valentine candle for this year. I thought this candle was cute and red and perfect for Valentine's. It took me like 5 minutes to take off the sticker that was on here. I did get this from Marshall's. So the chair that was here before went to the basement, so this needs to be put away. Look at this cute heart I bought. My new heart for the coffee station. This is new too. I don't know what to do with this plant. I think it's dying. This is the only plant I have in the house. I've had this since I bought the house 6 years ago. It was teeny weeny, about this size when I bought it. I have a trash bag ready to go. That's going to my sister's. These are the nicer toys that will get donated. And this basket, I'm gonna get rid of this. The handle is broken off. I wanted to show you guys the cute curtains I got for my daughter in her room. I'm not going to show the whole room because I want to keep her privacy, but I love these polka dot sheer curtains. Since the window is not centered, I did center the curtains. It looks better in real life. The paint color looks bad through the camera, but it's a light yellow color. I have cleared this area. Trash is out. The clothes I'm giving away are in the car. Now I need to keep this area clean. I hate it when it gets cluttered. For dinner, I'm going to make stir-fry rice noodles with shrimp and chicken.